Hey guys, Johnny here, G-Force Monkeys. I'm gonna show you guys some pretty exciting things today. We've got Johnny Boy here with us. He got a new car. He sold his old bug-eye because he really wanted a Blob-Eye. And we finally found him a Blob-Eye today. So I'll let you guys see it and I'll talk about it right now. Let's flip this camera around. All right, so here she is. Go and close the door, Johnny. What's that, Andrew? What's up, buddy? All right, here she is, 2004 Subaru WRX. Okay, it needs some love, but you know, we got a pretty decent deal on it. And as you can see, one more Subaru saved from Subaru land. This is one of those things, you know, where you find it, you recover it, and you bring her up to speed and all that fun stuff. So, but what you see here, we've got HKS turbo timer, we've got some pretty decent gauges here. What's it? Pro Sport, AEM, air fuel, and then we've got a fuel pressure, come with a nice deck, cob shifter, some pretty sweet STI covers, a little harness here. Okay, and then let's see what's under the hood. All right, so what we have looks to me like an STI inner intake manifold. It's been repainted teal. We've got an FP green turbo right here. Okay. We got some coilovers, as you see there. She came with a cool Red Bull catch can. We just bought a new battery, cold air intake, and then of course big old front mount intercooler. Go ahead and pick that bumper up real quick so you can see the front mount. I'm gonna make him take this front mount off of this thing until it runs right. So what's inside? Inside we've got, I think it's got some upgraded with the pistons or STI pistons, king bearings, some nice rods or something like that. Ooh, strut bar. And so basically this is a FP green hybrid build. A lot of you guys are familiar with these, and we picked it up for a nice little penny. We spent quite a bit on it, but I'm hoping that, you know, we'll be able to get it running right. What's wrong with it right now is it doesn't technically drive. It was running fine, running on 20 psi. It was tuned by Bader a long time ago. It has since then been rebuilt. The 20 psi, it's got the same internal, so the tune that was on it previously before the motor got blown and rebuilt seems to be working fine for the new tune, but as you can imagine, we've got to get it retuned. We've got lots and lots of things to go through on this car. Here's a nice little blow-off valve. I can't tell the brand on it, but Turbo XS, probably name brand. I'm willing to bet it's not a knockoff. So yeah. So now we're gonna get this puppy fired up. Johnny's got the keys. Let you guys hear what it sounds like. We made sure it didn't overheat. Made sure it didn't blow any smoke. It's not smoking at all. And hopefully we just got to replace like the clutch fork or something like that in it. The previous owner did replace the slave cylinder. So hold on, buddy. They did replace that, and still it's not going into gear. So it acts like the slave cylinder's shot. But let me flip the camera back around and show you guys this. All right, Johnny, fire it up. A little bit of a miss maybe, but then it flattens out. You can see all new gaskets in here. You can tell that it's been rebuilt. It's obvious. The exhaust smells great. I know that doesn't make any difference, but man, does it smell good. Let's see what we got back here. It's got an exhaust on it, obviously, catless downpipe. Give it a rev. Rev it up. It's not as loud as I would think it would be. It might have a muffler or something on there. I rev it up again. Okay. Now that knocking sound that I heard, I'm almost 100% positive it's these injectors right here. These are, I guess it's got Deutschwerks, probably pronounced that wrong, Deutschwerks think 1200cc injectors or something. So basically the kid's lucky. He's got an awesome dad. If you guys think he's lucky he's got an awesome dad, then hit the like button. But here's the kid that gets the car. Hey Johnny boy.
What's up?
You pretty excited about the car?
Oh yeah.
Is this your dream car?
Yeah.
Are you gonna have this car forever?
Probably forever.
Probably
It's built
forever.
as much as I need it to.
What?
So. It's built as much as I need it to, so.
Alright. Well, thanks Dad for finding this car and
Thanks, Dad. Yeah.
managing all this for him. The things we do for our children, right? Alright, you guys, there you have it. Johnny's got a new car, so I told him to give her a name. He's still trying to figure out what to name her, but he'll come up with a name pretty soon. And then we're gonna have another build for you guys to follow. And then this Nissan is another build right here. Just gonna turn that into a Braffing rally car, I think, though. I don't know, we'll see. But anyways, hope you guys subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that little monkey in the bottom. It's down here, I think. It's always backwards every dang time you do these videos. Make sure you guys subscribe. If you want a free decal, of course, send me an email at gforcemonkeys@gmail.com. And then don't forget about our Facebook group, Facebook page. Go ahead and join the group, like our page, follow our stuff. And make sure you follow us for these builds, because these things are rad. Johnny, rev it up. Do one more, do a high rev. There we go. All right, you guys, you know what time it is now. Johnny, out. Peace.